Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Nashville, Tennessee. We are driving along 2nd Avenue, one of the city's most historic and culturally significant streets. 2nd Avenue runs parallel to 1st Avenue and has long been an important commercial corridor, especially during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. The street is lined with brick and stone buildings, many of which were built in the 1870s and 1880s, reflecting Victorian and early industrial architectural styles. Originally, this area was a hub for merchants, wholesalers, and small factories, taking advantage of its proximity to the Cumberland River and nearby rail connections. In the early 1900s, 2nd Avenue also became known for its lively entertainment venues, with bars, music halls, and restaurants serving both workers and residents. Today, 2nd Avenue combines history with modern energy, featuring restaurants, boutiques, art galleries, and access to nearby landmarks. Driving along this avenue, viewers can see how the city has preserved its rich past while adapting to a modern downtown lifestyle. Nashville itself was founded in 1779 along the banks of the Cumberland River. Named after Revolutionary War General Francis Nash, the settlement quickly grew because of its strategic river location and fertile surrounding land. By the early 1800s, Nashville had become an important center for commerce, education, and government in the region. In the 20th century, Nashville gained worldwide recognition as the center of country music, especially after the launch of the Grand Ole Opry in 1925. Radio broadcasts carried Nashville's music across the nation, helping shape American popular culture. Over the decades, the city expanded beyond music into healthcare, education, technology, and tourism, becoming one of the fastest-growing metropolitan areas in the United States. Today, Nashville is known for its vibrant downtown, historic neighborhoods, and creative energy. Thanks for watching!